Welcome to one of our talks again. Good morning.
Thank you, Sandeep. Good morning to you. How
So,
are you?
I'm fine. I hope you are safe and healthy, and I believe Italy is coming back on tracks now.
Yes. Let's say that the situation in Italy is improving day by day, and we are positive. We have to be.
And I heard that you have come out with some very interesting machine for garment sanitization, which can be used by different segments of the industry to sell the garments. So that's quite interesting. Can you tell me a little more about it?
Thank you, Sandeep. Yes, for the opportunity. Absolutely. We invent a new range of sanitization chambers using ozone. We talked about how will be the approach of the consumer returning back to the new normality. So we invent different size of ozone chambers to put inside the shop and to improve the shopping experience of the consumer. I would like to share with you, we have done also a special analysis. So we can see that we can kill all the pathogens and the bacteria using this technology.
Okay. And so, I mean, what percentage of bacteria and pathogens does it kill?
Yes, we can kill from 93% to 100%. I don't know if you can see, but this is the result of the analysis that we have done.
For the lab, it's from the lab.
Exactly, from external lab.
External lab, okay. All right. And what about coronavirus? Because that is a major concern right now. So how does that work out?
Yes, very good question. At the moment, it's not possible to manage coronavirus and to see if this kind of technology is able to kill the coronavirus. But the external lab explain us that some bacteria and pathogens are really similar to this virus. So they can say, they can declare with all probability, we will have also a positive result of this virus.
I understand. So basically, since the government is not allowing you to make any testing on coronavirus, so you have to depend on the lab to because who are saying that these viruses are similar to coronavirus, and probably the results will be positive.
Yes, exactly. It's not possible today to test coronavirus because it's too dangerous. But with all probability, this kind of treatment is very similar, the coronavirus, to some pathogens and bacteria. With all probability, also this virus will be killed by ozone treatment.
All right. So I wanted to have a look at the machine. That would be very interesting. Is it possible to see that?
Yes, of course. I have here the small size because Sandeep, we are offering 3 sizes, S, M, and large. I have available the small one. If you wanna follow me, I can show how the machine works.
Yeah, that will be very interesting.
So here we have the Sanicare S. As you can see, we have 2 options when we decide to use the machine: garment sanification and room sanification. This is very important because using also this machine with and we can leave the door open, can do also the sanitization of the environment.
Wow,
so we can use in 2 ways.
Okay, so I mean, let's say if there's a shop and if you keep the door open, the entire shop will be sanitized.
Exactly. Of course, during the night without the consumer.
without the consumer. Okay. And there must be probably a capacity of the size of the room which can that you must already define, that what is the size of the
Yes,
room it can sanitize.
absolutely, yes. It depends on the powerful of ozone, but it depends on also on how many hours you treat the environment.
Okay,
So
wonderful.
we have to calculate it.
I understand. And these are now how many garments now we can put in this chamber?
So in this way, here we already have 7 garments. You can see we can put bags and shoes. We can load, for example, another one. Okay. Very easy to use. Have a look.
Okay.
I select garment sanitization, start.
Okay.
And you can, when you see the light, the machine is running.
Is running.
Yes, it's doing the sanitization process.
Okay, and so one round will be, say, how many minutes for one round?
Normally for sanitization process is 20 minutes.
Okay, so in 20 minutes, let's say we can sanitize, let's say 8 to 10 garments, some shoes, a couple of bags. So
exactly.
All right, that's wonderful. So, and after this sanitization is done, then the shopkeeper can take this out and he can again give it to customers for trying if they want to try or something. And
exactly.
The garments can be used again.
So for the consumer is real proof of that all the garments after the treatment are ready to be reused, are ready to be re-put in the shop, and in a completely safe way.
All right, that's wonderful. This is called Sanicare. You call this Sanicare?
Sanicare, exactly. Sanicare. We have also the size M with one trolley and the size S with the 2 trolley that can be good also for the industry.
So that also, that other size is also for the stores, or it is for the factories?
Both. The small one we thought about the store, and also the size M is for the store, for the big store. But the larger one with the 2 trolley, we believe that is very good for the textile industry, for denim industry.
And are you working on further products in this line, to create more products which can be used by the industry, by the supply chain, by stores and other, other kind of products? Because now we need these kind of products to bring the industry back on track.
Yes, absolutely. I believe this is a product really flexible for stores, for the consumer, but also for the textile industry. So, for example, before shipping the goods to the shops, can be done this kind of treatment, just 20 minutes. You can put inside the box and send. But also, let's say, to the people that received the goods. It takes many days to arrive. So to be sure and make sure that the garments are clean, without materials, without virus, without pathogens, I believe is a good message also for the consumer. The garment arrive in the shop, and also for the people that work and manage the garment every day.
Yeah, I mean, so because if it gives the confidence to the stores, to the consumers, to the people who are visiting, and also I think apart from the garments, it is also very interesting that you can sanitize the whole store, keeping it open, the door open for the whole night, and so I think this is quite interesting, and I congratulate you for creating this kind of product.
Exactly. Flexibility for us are really important things. People, so we thought about the people that manage the garments, that try the garments every day, and so this is our values.
Congratulations, Alice, for trying to make the industry more safe. And I believe that these are the kind of solutions we really need to work on and bring the things back to new normal. With of course, we need to have come back to new normal, adjust to the new normal with these kind of technologies that you are providing.
Thank you, Sandeep. Thanks to you for the opportunity to explain what we have done. And we believe that this is an opportunity to do something better, to think about the future, and to do better than before.
Thank you, Aleche. It was a pleasure speaking to you, and congratulations once again.
Thank you, Sandeep. Keep in touch. All the best.
Thank you. Bye-bye.